Hello everyone. Today I'm playing a new game that I installed. I'm powerful in this, but I don't think I'm that powerful. I started as this. My little sister is watching me. Stop! Stop! Upgrade. Stop! Why do I only have one? Lightning ball. Why I'm talking to my viewers? Yes. Sorry everyone, that was my brother. Watermelon. And you're not even hurting me. So strong. I wish I had put so much power. Already. Sorry, beans. Bats are supposed to be nice and carry virus. I'm gonna grab this. Got you. What are those things? What are you? What are you? Tornado. When I get the tornado, that lets me spawn tornadoes. Oh no. No. Help! Alright, I don't have friends. Ah! There's too much dog things! What are these things? What are these things anyway? Poison. There's too much dog looking things. Get them. This one. I have a laser eye. Here. Anyone? Just call the cops. Call the cops. What are you? I got a chest for killing that dude. I really get. Get out of here. Stop. Guys, I don't think it's working. Help. Please. Help. Just please help. Guys, I don't think I can do this that much, but I'll get this. Get out of here, you fools! I have a laser eye! Just kidding, it just comes out of myself. Watch this. That's fun, laser. Get out of here. Call the cops. Call the cops. Anyone, please call the cops. There's enemies. Why are there dog-looking dudes? These dudes are evil. Why are you so... You're so evil. Stop. What should I get? Tornado. Get out of here! My strength! I'm dying! I have a laser butt. I'm just kidding, it doesn't come out of my butt. Get out of there. Oh no. There's way too much of... Is that a boss? Just kidding, I have played this game a lot. And I saw there's bosses here. Ooh. I'll do this. This. Get out of here, dude. Please get out of here. But please disappear. See? I'm not scared of you. Die. Please stop. Stop striking me. I'm your friend, dude. I'm their enemy. I'm their nemesis. Why is there so much gas? That's one of the first things. Ah, what are those things? What are these running dudes? Hey, stop! Are you parrots? Get out of here! Why are you running towards me? Ah! What are you doing? Ah! Stop! Please stop. No, stop. Stop. I'm running into death. I'm not even taking damage. You're fools. You're touching my briefing. You touched it. You died. There are lots of fools. Stop. Get out of here. You die. Die. Yeah. Toxic swab. Dude, I could just stay still. I think I need to laser here. Laser, come out. Come out. I'm already level 21. No one's gonna defeat me. Not even you. No. Why is there so much dogs? Stop. There's too much dogs. Why is there so much dogs? Stop. I don't like dogs. They poop. The poop is disgusting. Help! Run! Why is there so much? Die! Just die! What do I get? What does this mean? What's the last thing, Lana? Look like that. Yeah, it is. Oh, point. I'll get out of the point before you know it. I'll get out of it. You're fools. You don't even know how to stop people from getting killed. I have points a lot. You die. You don't even know how to build. Run! I'm using my butt. Getting run. What's this, right? Oh my god, that means boss. That means the boss is coming. Ow, that hurted, boss. You're so bossy. Yes. You guys don't even know how to do it. Spider-Man. Yes, whatever Spider-Man kills. Let's go, guys. You should die right now. You don't know. You need to die right now before you do. What are these bad-looking dudes rushing towards me? What are you? I'm running. Because I do not like you. What's this? Oh my! I think this is it. I think this is the end of the video. Bye. Bye.